na so.
So if you come spit uncle, who come clear?
No, I could use slippers slap you.
Why you go use slippers slap me?
Why you not go slap you now? Why you go dirty the place?
Why you go use slippers slap me?
I go slap you now. Now you go clean the place.
But if I'm not wait, I go make you use slippers slap me.
Before. Why you go dirty the place? They say
why you not for your time? It's okay. This thing way you do not be supposed to do. So that me use slippers slap me.
I go just do like this.
Now, why not say I go just do like this? Why you go say you go use slippers slap me?
But now slapping be this now.
Why can't call slippers? This one a shoe.
But I quick come out my shoe or slippers for anyhow. To take to stone you in case you run away. Because I don't used to trust you. Because you have wear fine cloth today. The way you from this, you are buttons. Now you class with this. You class na photo. You class now. Now photographer.
No. Anyway, now good evening and welcome to our night show for today.
You know, say I don't look you since so.
What you do now?
They do see all you are. So they see you are shoe.
That's how we
Please
do.
Please get up and walk around. Let us see you. No. And even the models from GQ.
I'm not in the mood. I never chop night food.
Okay.
I'm not in the mood. I never chop night food. So that I'm going to be good. So that I can roll in the hood. I don't know if you're in the mood. Give me beats.
I think we will spoil everything now.
Give me beats.
Give me beats. Easy, why you go talk like this now?
They do for you leave this.
Give me beats.
Oh. Easy, don't be a devil.
Is your rap? Hey, yeah. Yo, man. It's a night show, man. With Katim, and Nedu, and Easy Beats. Yo. I'm not in the mood.
Hey.
Because I never chop food.
What?
So that we go feel raw for the hood. So that we go there very good. Woo. I hope you are with me good. Woo. Are you with me? Oh, my brother, if I rap,
my brother.
Katim, if we rap.
Hey! Every day we are discovering our talent. Every day.
And this one, this struggle. This one, you come. We get the talent of rapping. They come.
You know, so we use the yeast, normal yeasting.
Now I thought I'm not in the mood. Food come. Okay, cut him now. Come. Just come, take rap.
Come.
I don't want to come so that I will not tell you to come and take one. See, rhyme master.
We are very inspired on the
hot. We are hot.
You are not. We are hot. You are not. That is it.
What you call end down? We are hot. You are not. We are hot. You are not.
But you can be hot. But you are not.
You not call rhyme now.
You can be hot.
Easy bit help.
But you are not.
You are hot.
No, easy.
You are not.
Easy bit no day.
You can be hot.
No, that spirit is amazing.
Easy bit not there on our level. Easy, you're not on our level. We are in a higher level, in a higher realm.
Easy bit they always doubt us.
One
day we go shock you.
He's in the flesh.
Huh?
Only those that work in the flesh perish in the flesh.
We tunes we go. Our song go come out.
Not be iTunes. No. iTunes don't fool.
No.
Our song come out on WeTunes. We work in the spirit.
Yes.
Those that work in the spirit.
Easy go shock. Now that time Easy go tell everybody say, I know them.
I know them now. And they do show together. I know them.
They go say, woo.
You can't beg us say you can't say this babe. Help me call her. When they do a cat, what can I help me call her when we don't blow? Oh God. God will help us. Anyway, welcome to the night show for today. We'll be 11th of May 2015. My name is Nanedu Anoscoff. Me and Katim don't sit down. Anoscoff Easy Beat. Anoscoff Mini Match. K Solo. Everybody. K
Plus K Musu.
Everybody don't get for ground. Today for make sure say una enjoy today. How work today? Hope say your organ not give you problem. If your organ give you problem, call me. Call us this evening. Tell us say your organ give you problem. We are going to deal with it.
Personally.
Only say your salary go suffer at the end of the month. And we don't know how we are going to handle that.
No, but you know, say nowadays, may they not do anyhow with salary because you get one girl. You know, they bite ear now until salary matter. So bad. So, you know, employers and employees have to be very careful.
You get what happen for inside them eastern part of a country.
That is.
Police stop bus driver. Bus driver no can know how you go take pursue the police. Now shit.
Meanwhile, the policeman no say Jawade oh.
go say, yeah, see, driver and conductor throw butu. I don't know. Maybe they don't go chop beans. Wait them there for like 2 days. When they be saying you could just stay, if police hold you immediately, butu will just come off your body. As police just hold them, maybe driver go don't tell the conductor. I don't work. I am not sure how. Oh shit for here. No. Conductor go tell us, driver, Oga, can you see here?
Then you know.
The driver go say, Oga. No, you know the usual one and they naked. I mean the usual one. The driver go tell us, Oga, that one for Lagos they work. This is the eastern part of the country. Can you see here? Let us put you here.
Then they go put them for black nylon.
This one they don't put them for nylon.
They just carry hand.
As the man just bend down butu. The conductor bend down butu. Now so they carry the thing. Police. Wham!
Try. If you be the police, what you go do?
My brother, you go leave them, not arrest them again. That's what the guy will come out, leave them for that place.
That's the eastern part of Nigeria. What about South Africa, where we say, wait, this case, they just confuse somebody.
No,
1, 2, 3, 4. Where before? 1, 2, 3, 4.
See,
up and down.
It's not working in the spirit, it's working in the flesh.
Anywhere we go is the way.
It's the way.
So, okay, so please
follow the way.
Follow the way, the truth, and the life. Here they just you see for South Africa, you know, say they do nowadays, you know, say they pay people. If you get that, you know, that disease, where we say, you know, get cured like that, but they fit give you medicine. Make you use the manage them.
HIV. My sister, and the same thing make me the advice easy bit. All these guests, where they take easy bit, I love you, easy bit, I love you. Make it, they give them face.
No, you know, say nowadays, easy bit, fit even know. If to say, if easy self get them, or those girls get them, it can have a tattoo from their,
for waiting.
The tattoo am this.
The tattoo!
Welcome!
For here!
Welcome! Because they welcome!
Wait, I don't understand this we talk now. Explain to me. You mean say for South Africa now?
Yes. As it be now, the president even don't give them the go-ahead. Say from now on, everybody where they that
we get HIV/AIDS.
Made them tattoo them for their body. Welcome. I am HIV. So when they do like that, they go collect money from government. Government go pay them yours so that the disease no could spread anyhow.
So if they do the tattoo, government go pay them.
Ooh, see those hairs.
But wait. See, you don't see yourself. No. Why they not show?
No, now they do. You see I'm there now. It be like something when DBA say right there.
But wait. You mean say
now easy bit. If you go if yours they look for the.
Now let me say before you do anything with anybody now, you go say make I see. If the person not come bleaching like them people where they bleach, all those actresses where they bleach, they don't come bleaching.
What if this thing don't come out?
If you don't come,
you know if I come out because now tattoo.
Okay.
Tattoo they need your body.
My brother, leave tattoo.
No, what about the right
people when they dating?
They can go draw a journal, come make and be like butterfly. No.
If they say tattoo,
my brother,
as easy be TikTok. Some people when they slim. Then drop butterfly for here for their something here. Then when they not come born begin don't fat, the feather of the butterfly go there back.
They do. But
then the head go there for her neck. When she don't fat.
No, you go look closely. The one way you know fits, you need to pray to God so that I don't care by the spirit that you will be led. You know by flesh and blood. Because sometimes flesh and blood used to confuse something.
Anyway, today on Ministry Monday, when we say we go check out top things, we say concern work matter, things we go help make your ministry for move to permanent site. But because of say people when the business supposed to come today, for some kind reason, we say make them stay. So that we go discuss this matter when we say they ground now. Now this matter now last week Tuesday. Now we supposed to discuss this matter, but we say make we leave them since it get to do with work. Make we leave and come on Monday. Now.
And we need to thank them for all those people they send una messages, una email with all these kind of things. They plenty.
He get somebody I big enter bank today and meet 2 people for example bank. Where come they ask me, saying they do how those topics gonna discuss?
Whether not true.
Not true. I've been like I say my brother, all of them not true. Now those of you now where they say you get somebody will send message where to say. Make you not call a name. If you not call your name, who not go call your name? Forget all those names why they call. Those ones they just they know. If
so
not
from
call
now,
your name,
are we busy call your name anymore?
We don't call your name.
Yes.
Those of them when they send us topic what they discuss. Thank you. Now this one now one. Now this husband and wife for now. They just married 2 years ago. It hear me so now. Now international obodo Igbo company them too they work with in Nigeria here. I don't want to call the company name. I don't call the husband and wife name.
No
because then no one will call their name. They say make them be anonymous. Yeah. Anybody when they are be anonymous.
Anonymous. They do anonymous. This one no be like Rufus.
Okay. So they say make we be anonymous. So this husband and wife now they work for this international company. I don't know. Are you with them? Are you with them?
I'm with you.
So the woman now, the company now come say they can't increase the salary of the woman. They don't increase the salary of the man. The woman gets higher qualification past her husband. So they can't increase salary of the woman by almost 50%. They don't increase the man. Then the policy of the company can't change. As the policy of the company can't change, the contract say, okay, husband and wife not go there for inside the same company.
But you know, say you get companies where they do like that.
Yeah, you get some companies where they do.
You don't go work for the same
husband and wife not work for the same company. But it not be like that for here. You get husband and wife where they work.
But not be the same department. If na me and you now come marry, we can't date this department.
And he get. I sure say company will do that thing for they get reason. Because if you carry husband and wife issue come office now, you know can't they disturb every other person for office.
If you defraud office,
if you defraud office, your husband they go.
So
yes. The policy after 2 years they don't marry now company contact say husband and wife not go they work for the same company. So two of them now, one person gets resign. May you remember say the woman they collect more money past the husband. Now for inside two of them. The question there between the man now, then guys give answer by this week Friday. Because no, by next week Monday, because on Monday they do their
and they dedicate family. Thank you.
They do meeting. So, but they are by next week Monday, now they go report to their office. Now,
but they get family meeting before that meeting on Monday.
So the man now what we could discuss them. I beg. The question what they ask now, I say between these two, the husband and the wife. Now who you think say make you resign? The wife when they collect more money, I been and the husband he will make you resign. Anyway, for you now we'll back small chicken break. When we come back, our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Now when I get today's show, make you begin the call us. Make you know what you think about this matter. Hand over to Easy Bit. On top Twitter, Facebook, we did there.
Every.